Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see a question on upper and lower bound. Actually, in the last video, I was recording this and due to some technical error, the video stopped at question number 3. So I'm continuing from here. The link of the other two questions I will put in the description below. So let's continue with this question. So the volume of oil in tank is 1000 liter corrected to nearest 10 liters. Now it is nearest to 10 liters, so when you will divide 10 by 2, you will get 5. So to get the upper bound, you will add 5, and to get the lower bound, you will subtract 5. So let me get the upper and lower bound of the 1000 liter. So if I add 5 in it, it will become 1005. When I subtract 5 from it, it will be 995. Okay, after that, it is talking about this oil which is in the tank is being poured into tins, and the volume of one tin is 2.5 liter, which is corrected to 1 decimal place. So to find out its bounds, I will add and subtract what? Let's find out 0.1 divided by 2. Because it is 1 decimal place, so 0.1. Divided by 2 is 0.05. So this is I will add and subtract in 2.5. So if I add 0.05, it will become 2.55. And if I subtract, it will become 2.45. So I got my upper and lower bound for tank and tin separately. Now question is saying, calculate the upper bound for the number of tins you can fill in. So what you will do with these numbers? Let me explain you if you have a problem here in understanding. If you have a jug which has, for example, 10 liter of syrup or anything, and you are filling small glasses, and the capacity of one glass is suppose 2 liter. So how many glasses you can fill in? So what do? You divide, right? 10 divided by 2 is 5. It means you can fill 5 glasses. So same is the question here. This volume of oil is in the tank. Now suppose this is my tank, right? And it has bounds here, upper and lower bound. And this is small tin which has capacity of 2.5 liter. It also has bound, upper and lower bound. So how many you can fill here? Number of tins. So we will do division here, right? So I'm writing here to find out the upper bound means maximum number of tins, okay? Number of tins when I'm filling oil into small tins. So volume of oil from where? From tank. You will divide it by tins and small tins, okay? Now I will divide here, but I want overall answer of this thing largest because upper bound is written here, okay? Now this fraction will be largest only if your numerator is very big and your denominator is smallest possible. Biggest and smallest. I think you understand this concept. Because in fraction, if you have numerators biggest and denominator smallest, you will get a largest answer. So that's why for volume of oil, I will pick up 1005. This is my numerator. And because the number of tins the quantity of tins I want is smallest, which is 2.45. So I will do 1005 divided by 2.45. Let's see what is the answer. Just give me a minute to calculate it. Okay. So it is coming 410.204 whatever. So it means 410 you will fill completely, but little amount of oil will be left behind. So you need another 10 to pour into it. So that's why you need 411 tins. Okay. I am not doing here the concept of rounding off of decimal number. Try to understand here. Otherwise, if students will round it off, it will become 410. But question is different here. Question is asking how many tens will be required. How many tens will be required for the upper bound. So of course 410 completely filled and the other one will be little bit filled. Same question if it was asked with the concept of lower bound. Just extra information for you. Then to make this smallest, I should have taken small in the numerator and large in the denominator. Then in that case, I would have taken 995 in the numerator and 2.55 in the denominator. Are you understanding? So if I divide here is, the answer would be 390.19, which means again 391 tens I would have required. So you will read the questions of division, like this is the case of division for upper and lower bound, very carefully, what quantity should be numerator denominator. So I hope it will make the concept clear. Thank you very much for watching. You can share it with your friends if you like it, and press share and subscribe button. Any query you can put in the comment. Thank you. Take care.